There was a bullet point in the description for a senior data scientist role that has come up in interview questions for me all the time. So this is for a senior data scientist role at Coursera. One of the descriptions says you will be responsible for creating self-service tools for diagnosing the root cause of performance in KPIs. Now, as an interview question, what I've gotten a lot from was this. It's usually in the stakeholder interview where so you're talking with business partners and they say, imagine our conversion rate suddenly plummeted or our click rate suddenly plummeted during a day or an hour or period. How would you investigate what happened? So, from my experience, typically the answer to this is segmentation, 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 which I believe is going to be similar to this bullet point here. So if this is Coursera, imagine one of the KPIs is the sign up rate for any course. So if suddenly it plummets in a day, you want to start segmenting this. Okay, well, do we see the same thing across all countries or is it isolated to one particular country? Do we see the same decline across different devices, across, say, mobile versus computer? Because maybe there's a glitch in certain operating systems like iOS or Windows. If you notice that the decline was in one day, what happens if you look at each individual hour? Can you isolate it to a certain period of time? From there, once you've isolated, here are the countries that have been affected, here are the platforms that have been affected, here are the times that have been affected. Now you start going to stakeholders, to engineers, and you're trying to figure out like what is going on. Maybe there was a new update that went out. So I have seen this question in many interviews. This is not an uncommon bullet point to see in a job description. And if it is there, you can probably safely expect that that's going to be an interview question that you get somewhere in the rounds.